Hi everyone, today I'm going to give a go at the Majesty flower. The only thing is, can I do it in a mold that's not too deep? So let's get going. Let's give it a go. So I took 175 mils or grams of resin. I've divided it equally at 40 each in each cup. I've got white, a mica black, a turquoise, and a magenta. So I've let the resin sit till it got to around 29 degrees. So let's give this a go and see how we go. So starting off with the turquoise. I mean, I've seen everyone do this in a deep mold, but I want to see if it can come out in one of these. So I'm going to start with the turquoise. It is so cold and windy outside. Yeah, I don't know if this is going to work, so I'll just put half in. Then you put the magenta in the middle. Half, I think. Not sure if my table is right. So then I put the black between both. I've never done any of these, so this will be the first time. Could turn out disastrous. So that's that. And then I've got to put the blue back in. And then I'm supposed to put that in a bag, in a piping bag. And then gotta make squiggles. Oh gosh, I'm getting all mixed up here. Okay. I think I should go one more here. Okay, then I got to put the rest of the pink in. Oh, I don't know if this is going to work because my nearly filled up. Nearly filled up. And then we go, I think, another round. Looks pretty if it works. Hope it does. Alright, now we put a bit of the clear in as a push. And it's full. I don't think I'm going to put any stones in there. Or should I? Maybe a tad. See how we go. And now, burst the bubbles. I'm not even sure whether I'm supposed to use my gun or not, but it's completely full. I'll put you on a time lapse, see how we go. So this one I already unmolded. This was just a spare that was left, but look how pretty it came. I only did this with the red from here, or the magenta, and white. That's pretty, except it hasn't dried fully. Let's see if this worked. That's pretty, the way that looks. Yes, that came out really nice. What do you guys think? Bring it down. Look at that. So it did work in the shallow mold, which is this one. Oh my goodness me, that looks gorgeous. Oh gosh, I'm so happy. Oh well, the next one I'm going to still practice with this one in different colors. So talk to you soon.